Oh y'all, I thought I'd show you how to cook bacon in the oven. What I do is I get me the biggest cookie sheet you can get right here. Big cookie sheet. And I lined it with foil. And then I've got foil pans, the flat ones you can get from the Dollar Tree. They come two to a pack. And then I put parchment paper on it. The oven's 400 degrees. 22 minutes. Check, more or less. Put it in. If it needs more, take it out if it's ready. I want to show y'all this is my last one. You see all the paper, I don't have it too oversized, but you want to make one of the corners, go ahead and form it, put your finger in there and make you a point. And then when you take your bacon off, you're going to hold this in with a hot pad, and you can hold it down here, and then you're going to tilt it, and you're going to strain it into here. Now, this is my last batch I'm going in. Sometimes it takes more than 22 minutes. It's according to your oven and your altitude and everything. But I don't cook mine thoroughly all the way because this is just like, it won't take very long in the morning to heat chip some. I freeze half of it at a time. We eat it up within a week, and I freeze half of it. It was a lot of bacon. Okay. Alright, hope y'all enjoyed this video. And it's easier to make bacon this way than it is in a pan. And render your fat. Okay. So, good night. That's it. Bye. Let this set overnight. Then it'll solidify. Then you're going to bag it up and freeze it. You're going to label your bag. And then you're going to spoon it into this bag and you're going to freeze it. That way it'll always be fresh and it'll never go rancid. There you have it. Now freeze it. And it doesn't really freeze, so you can just spoon it back out when you want some for your eggs or whatever you're using bacon grease for. Okay, that's it. Good night. That's the end of this video. Bye, y'all.